Hey everybody, Tony Procopio here, founding advisor at Think Plus, along with my business partners Jim Brendan and Ed Kenny, and going to share with you our business overview today. Well, who is Think Energy? Well, it's a forward-thinking retail energy company, and our focus is to bring clean energy and make it easy, affordable, and accessible for everyone. Born out of a $100 million capital commitment from Oaktree Capital, which is owned ultimately by Brookfield, a $200 billion publicly traded company. Some of that capital commitment went to acquire Think Energy, which was rebranded and relaunched, and took a 1.3 rated company on Trustpilot after 10 years and turned it into a 4.5 star out of 5 rated company in less than a year. And now have moved forward, opening up new markets and bringing innovative products and services. And the way we do it is through Think Plus, which is a community of advisors that is the marketing arm for Think Energy. So who do you know that uses electricity? Well, the answer is everyone, but how many of those people do you think would want to pay less or maybe even get it for free? The answer is everyone there as well, because we all know that electricity prices are higher than they were 3 years ago, and they're going to continue to go up due to inflation and renewable transition, as well as increased demand for electric vehicles and global instability and conflicts, you name it. Fixed rate plans and fixed discounts are the way to protect yourself for future price increases. One of our innovative products and services that we have is Community Solar, a state-sponsored clean energy program that's rolling out on a state-by-state basis. This is ground floor, one of the fastest growing industries in America. It's happening right now. It's free to enroll, 5 to 25% discount for up to 20 years. You don't have to buy anything, don't have to install anything, and even renters qualify for this discount. And then as a retail energy provider, even more innovation in multiple states that you see here. And moving forward, bringing these offerings to customers so that they can customize these offerings for themselves and choose things that will make a bottom line impact in a good way on their household budget through their utility bill. We even have programs that are specific to clean energy and specific to the state of Texas as well. And so $100 cash gift card for all of our customers. We'll talk more about that. But before and after, what does it look like? Nothing changes for the customer on their electricity bill except for the price that they pay. There's that $100 gift card. Come aboard as a new customer and then pay your bill for 6 months and use a little bit of electricity. And guess what? You get to keep that $100 cash gift card. And then we have our free energy club. No one does free energy like Think Energy. Simply refer 3, 10, or 20 customers and respectively get 10, 40, up to 100% off your supply portion of your bill in the form of a tax-free rebate month after month after month for having referred customers one time. Again, no one does free energy like we do. We have a Think Smart app coming soon to you, in markets where you are in our deregulated markets. We're in the beta phase right now of this cutting edge proprietary technology that teaches you to turn your electricity bill into an income producer by following the prompts on an app on your phone. That's literally how it works. Well, what if you could get paid every time people used electricity because you were helping to educate them and make these better choices? There's 9 ways of getting paid through this compensation plan. It's only $59 to join. You have a business in a box with websites, back office, sharing tools, you name it. It's all there, ready to go, no monthly fees. And then you'll earn anywhere from $20 to $120 every time you bring a customer in. You'll share in when your team brings in customers as well, anywhere from 10 to 60 or 5 to 30 on your level 2 team. And then as you rank up through the compensation plan, you can earn additional bonuses that go beyond those levels from levels 1 through infinity. We have a 5-3-5 building block. This is very simple. Acquire 5 personal customers, help 3 new energy advisors join your team, and then help those new energy advisors acquire 5 personal customers each, just like you did. Guess what? You just earned anywhere from $450 to $1,700 on a $59 investment. You got promoted to what we call regional energy advisor, and then you can keep promoting all the way through up to senior partner and earn over $86,000 worth of bonuses as you do so. Those are one-time bonuses, but then all the while that you're doing this 5-3-5 building block, you're building a monthly residual income that over time, as 3 advisors who bring in 3 advisors who bring in 3 advisors, and everyone brings in 5 customers, which is way below our national average, you're talking about $500,000+ per month. It's not going to happen overnight, But over time, part-time, side by side with your regular profession, this is what's possible with our compensation plan. So moving forward quickly, you'll also be able to earn additional income from levels 1 through infinite levels every time customers pay their bill, and it can be highly lucrative. The bigger the bill, the more you make. We also have a revenue sharing pool where every time a customer comes in, whether it's community solar or electricity, money goes into a pool. Every time an electricity customer pays their bill, money goes into a pool. And at the end of each month, just by reaching partner or above, you get shares in every single customer. All the revenue that comes in from those customers, you're going to share in some of that revenue, even if it's not from you or your team. We have an incentive trip that we do twice a year, fall and spring. And next one is to Puerto Rico. It's going to be exciting there. Where we are now, this is where we are, guys. 11 states for community solar and growing rapidly. 13 states for electricity. We are just at the beginning of something great. If you see it like we do, hit the ground running. I don't know what your why is, or whether it's you want more time or more money or both, because that means freedom. You just want to worry less about financial obligations and worries. I don't know what it is. Maybe you just want to help people. Whatever it is, you can definitely do this side by side with your regular profession and use the Think Plus vehicle as a way to get you from point A, where you are now, to point B, where you want to go, without ever asking people for money and without ever selling anything, just by simply putting money back into people's pockets. If you're ready to get started, welcome aboard. Let's get building. You can be up and running in 3 or 4 minutes for $59. If you're not ready to be an advisor, great. Just become a customer maybe, and we'll help you get free energy. And if you have questions, get back to the person that invited you, and they can get those questions answered today. Thanks for being here, and I wish you the best with your Think Plus.